I am KE, and I am an automation engineer. I started as an apprentice electrician right out of electrical trade school, installing conduit, pulling wire, installing motors, and installing control panels, which I really liked to do, but I was always noticing that these guys with computers would come onto site, and I was always a little curious as to what they were doing. And I inquired and looked over their shoulders, and they were automation engineers, and I thought that was really interesting. I had a meeting with Carl, and I told him if there was ever any opportunities to get into that I would like to do that. And he, without any hesitation, put me on a track to become an automation engineer. It was really kind of a shot in the dark that I was able to have a meeting with the CEO of the company, which was just crazy to begin with, but then I was able to just be open with him and tell him kind of a future that I wanted to see, and that he was receptive to that was just amazing, and that he not only said, yeah, you can do whatever you want, he actually delivered on that. What KE offers is that there are just so many different opportunities here and things that you can see that you might not even know about.